Have you ever had one of those days? You know, a day where the expected turns into the unexpected and likely leads to a budget-breaking bill. Thought so. Well, when it comes to an unexpected, unbudgeted for extra cost to keep your car on the road, Stoneacre Service and Repairs are here to help. That's right, we're making it easy by giving you the choice to pay for all of your servicing, general repairs and even MOT requirements over a 6 or 10 month duration. What's more, this flexible and affordable new way to pay is completely interest-free. Plus, you could save days worth of time avoiding multiple back and forth visits. So, ask yourself this: do I let an unexpected budget-breaking bill blow up into one of those days? Or do I start to take back control, spread the cost interest-free and turn the day into a day made with our new way to pay? For more information, visit stoneacre.co.uk/pay monthly. Or why not see us in store today at your local Stoneacre Service and Repairs branch?
Motoring for life.